Hey guys, it's John. Today we're gonna do the project, the big project, the one I've been talking about in a couple videos, and it's a big one for me. Let's turn around and walk through what we're doing here. My property has this in-ground swimming pool, which used to be nice, but for reasons, many reasons, it went into disrepair, and now we're gonna fill it in. And to do that, I'm gonna get as much dirt off my property as possible. There's a whole yard back behind this fence here. I'm gonna box blade and scrape dirt and see how much we can get. But to get from there down to here, I gotta build a little cut through, which I've started, of the terracing in my yard to get through that gate over there, which is right there. And we're gonna be using my subcompact tractor, my John Deere 1025R, and we're starting out with the bucket and gonna be utilizing the backhoe. So wish me luck, and I'll try to make this interesting. All right, we'll see ya. We'll see ya. All right, so I have no plan. I know pulling these railroad ties out was a little tough the day I started out. It's just like an experiment day of how to do this. Today I'm gonna try to dig behind them, loosen that dirt up before I can get these ties out, and I've got the tractor positioned in kind of a wonky way, so we'll see what happens here. All right, so I made a little progress there. It's gonna be slow, this machine. You can't like do two actions at once. Or if you can, you really gotta feather it. But we got a decent pile of dirt out of here. I'm gonna keep going with it, trying to pick up different angles here and there. It's hard filming this stuff. I give all the credit in the world to guys who put out 4 or 5 videos a week doing this.